In this tutorial, we'll cover the non-drawing hand. We have a clock on the butt of the controller, so you can keep track of time in Gravity Sketch. First, let's press the blue menu button. On the column, we have a few options here. The first one is Save. Here we can save, export, start new sketches, move things to Sketchfab, screenshot, choose profiles, and exit. Nexus Settings. We have 3 folders above: Sketch Aid, Preference, and Workspace. Under Sketch Aid, we can use Mirror and Grid. Under Preferences, we can adjust some of the other features. And under Workspace, we can change our environment. Below this, we have References. We can grab images from the internet and drop them into our environment. Then we have the Prefab tab, where we can take mannequins, drop them in the environment, and import models. After that, we have Layers, and then we have Orthographic. We won't see anything in this tab if we don't have geometry in the scene, so I'm going to make a couple of strokes and move them around. You'll see that the orthographic views update in real time. The very last option is Learning Content. Here we can watch tutorials in Gravity Sketch to brush up on some of the features. Next, let's press the purple Tools menu. Here we have 6 options for content creation. If we click a tool twice, we get a menu, and we can pull that into our environment. To get rid of the menu, we can grab it and delete. The next thing we'll cover is the time wheel. I'm going to put a few sketches in the environment first, and then with our toggle, we're going to go counterclockwise to go back in time, and clockwise to go forward in time. This is history for the entire duration of your sketch period. On the side of the controller, we have the grab button. This allows us to move our sketch around. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.